Hello, everyone. I'm Konrad Korzeniowski, a scientific project manager at ILSI Europe. ILSI Europe is a non-profit organization promoting science collaboration for public health improvement. And we are bringing together experts from academia, industry, and public sectors to work on collaborative science. And we focus on critical areas like food safety, nutrition, and sustainability. One of the latest activities of ILSI Europe from Microbiological Food Safety Task Force focuses on developing microbiological risk-based decision tool for use of dried spices and herbs, dried vegetables, and dried fruits in foods. And today I'm joined by two experts involved in this work. We'll explain a little bit more about this activity. Welcome, Professor Heidy Besten from Wageningen University and Research, who is the chair of this activity, and Dr. Courtney from General Mills, who is the vice chair of this expert group. So Heidi, can you tell us a little bit more about this activity?
Yes, sure. The focus of the expert groups is on dried plant ingredients like dried fruit, vegetables, spices, and the herbs. And the group aims to identify and characterize microbial hazards associated with these different product categories, and to evaluate what kind of process is used to produce these dried materials. And we also aim to identify stages where contaminants can be introduced and what type of thermal, but also especially non-thermal, post-drying interventions can be taken up to reduce the contaminants in these matrices. And the ultimate aim is to collect all the learnings in a review article, which we aim to publish, but also to develop a risk-based decision tool which can be used by food business operators which are using these materials.
All right, thank you. That's, I think, in my opinion, it's a great activity that will be very useful for the industry. So Polly, what are some of the biggest challenges facing the dried ingredients industry? And how is this expert group working to address them?
Well, Conrad, dried plant ingredients usually have a long shelf life due to their characteristic low moisture properties. However, they are added to a wide range of food products, including ready-to-eat low moisture foods, as well as high moisture foods that support microbial growth. In many cases, the microbial process control may not be applied after the dried plant ingredient has been added to the finished product. Users of dried plant ingredients may face multiple challenges, including sourcing from multiple suppliers that may have different processes, a wide and inconsistent range of initial microbial loads, and balancing microbiological quality and safety with desirable sensory properties.
All right, so there's quite some challenges indeed. And how do you see the dried ingredients industry evolving in the coming years? And how is this specific expert group positioning itself to stay ahead of those challenges?
Well, the dried plant ingredients industry is exploring alternatives to thermal treatments to improve sensory properties and lower energy costs. To do this, a better understanding of decontamination efficacy among different dried ingredients and treatments is needed. The industry must also assess current drying processes with a goal to enhance microbial reductions while maintaining sensory properties. And in addition, the industry can focus on improved control at the initial stages of the production chain with improved agricultural practices in the countries of origin. Companies should also identify ways that product scarcity increases risk. Identifying and controlling risks associated with new routes of contamination and new supply chains will be important in ever-changing supply chains. This expert group is gathering information and producing a risk assessment tool that will help companies along this journey in the future.
All right. Thank you. So I think it's going to be quite a useful tool for the industry. But Heidi, maybe you could tell me, how does this expert group work with other organizations in the food industry?
The working group members, they have diverse backgrounds, including academia and professional industry stakeholders. And the sharing of the knowledge and the experience is actually a learning opportunity for all of us. And we aim to prepare, as I already said, an review article on the work we are working on, but also a webinar, and also will present the work at different international fora to reach a wide audience.
All right. Thank you. I think it's a very wholesome activity that is going to be very useful for many actors. And I would like to thank you both, Polly and Heidi, for joining me today. And I hope to speak to you very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.